Greta and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to try out these stick-on nails from Oomynails. So this company creates or makes artificial nails like these ones, which are stick-on. So yes, that's right, you just stick it on. So I have been using stick-on nails for a while now, and it's my first time to use this brand. So I will be showing you how to apply it, and we will test out the wear time, if it will last long. So I have tried using both glue nails and the stick-on nails. So these stick-on nails use adhesive tab. They are like gel-like, so I'll be showing it to you later. And you just stick it on, so it's a lot easier to apply. And with my own experience with the glue, I am not a fan of it because it made my nails very brittle, and it doesn't last as long as the stick-on nails. So I have been using a different brand. So as I've mentioned, we will be testing this brand out because this is a cheaper version. We will test out if it will last long and if it's comfortable to wear. So I have already applied some, which I will be showing you later. So from my first impression, it's comfortable to wear. It's lightweight, and yeah, it's soft from the sides and from the area where it will be attaching to your nails. So that's why it's flexible. So it's comfortable. So let's check out the wear time and on how to apply it. So inside the pack, guys, we've got the nails, which is 24 pieces. We've got the adhesive tabs, which comes in 48 pieces. The stick, we will be using this to push the cuticles back, and the filer, and then the disinfectant pad. So So to remove the nails, guys, you just need the stick that came with the pack. So you've got two sides. So we've got this one and the angled side. So you just need the angled side, this one, to remove the nails. So I will just show you how to remove it. So I will be removing this small the nails on my small finger because it's already coming off. So you just put this side, or this angled side, in between your natural nail and the artificial nail. So you just put that in between and just push it, like, you know, from the side, and then the other side, like that, and then it will come off. You just push it gently. There, see? So it's easy to remove, and it is there, very convenient to take off. There you go. And this is how my nail look like. So as you can see, that it didn't damage it or anything. It still looks the same. All right, so this one, I can notice and I can see that it's moving when I'm moving it. So this is already loose. So the ring finger is already loose. Other one, yeah, the rest are all good. So it's just this one that is loose. Yeah, so aside from that, the rest are all okay. Just want to update you. So the other one have already come off totally. Aside from that, the rest are still okay. So it's just that one that came off. Oh, there's none there. Yeah, so all of the rest are still okay, so except that one, so it has totally come off. Okay, so this one, my little finger is already loose. There, it's already coming off. Let's check the others. So these are still holding on strong. Alright, so all of them are okay. They are stuck on still well, except this one. So to sum it up, guys, so I am convinced that these nails from Oomynails are long lasting. So that's based from my experience. So in 4 days, only 2 have come off. So that's already very good enough for me. And as I mentioned, we've got 24 pieces of the nails and 48 adhesive tabs. So it is expected, like with other press-on nails, even with the most expensive ones, not all of them will last for like a week or so. Like some of them will come off after a few days. So that is already expected. But you know, as I've mentioned, one a day or one in 2 days is already good. It's already good enough, because sometimes with my experience, like 3 will come off all at the same time, which is annoying, you know. But I can say that this is good as the more expensive brands. This is more affordable, and it is definitely comfortable and long wearing. So you can check out their link, guys, from the description box. They've got lots of designs. You have the shorter versions, you have the longer ones, and different styles. So yeah, you can choose from there. And currently they're on 30%, if I'm not mistaken, 30% off. Yes, so definitely check them out, guys, if you want temporary nails for 1 or 2 weeks. If you just want them occasionally, then check them out, because I'm sure that you will also like them as I do. So I'm definitely switching to this brand because it's a lot more cheaper and a lot more designs that I can choose. So until then, guys, I'll see you on my next vlog, and always take care and God bless.